Hey everybody, it's Miss Stewart, and this is your week 2 introduction video. Just a reminder, when you guys are in here, you are in classwork, and then this is what it'll look like for you. Go ahead and just come over and click on week 2. And this is where you're going to find your week 2 intro video and playlist. Make sure you always watch this video first. I'm going to explain what's in your week 2 playlist really quick. So this week we are doing your iReady reading diagnostic. And for your iReady reading diagnostic, you guys are going to have to go into iReady, and you're going to want to take your time on this. You're going to want to do your very best because we'll be doing iReady at least once a week for the remainder of the school year. Okay, you also are going to have 20 minutes of reading your library book plus a library book activity. It's pretty quick and easy. I would prefer that you do your iReady diagnostic first, but if you ever want to take a break with this, that's fine. Once you're finished with the iReady reading diagnostic, some of your enrichment activities, there is steps in this, so you must do these in order. You have a post-diagnostic survey. The survey is just an example of some stuff that you like maybe, or how you feel like you did on the test. So please make sure you fill this out. And then the next step will be to create a vision board. And I detail what you are supposed to do in this vision board assignment here for you. So please make sure you read those instructions and then let me know if you have questions. And then the very last thing is to move on to week 3 playlist. Now you should only move on to week 3 playlist if you're finished with week 1. Remember, this doesn't mean that you're behind or that you need to catch up. It only means that you need to finish the work in week 1 and master it before you move forward. So make sure that week 1's finished before you move on to week 3. And that's it this week, guys. Make sure you're always doing your bell work and your exit tickets, and I will see you soon.